Well, City Attorney Mike Feuer hopes families will take advantage of a new California gun law. It enables them to report relatives who they consider to be mentally unfit to own firearms. Gil Reyes has more from City Hall. Gil.
Yes, Yana, this gathering at the LA City Attorney's office makes clear a new state law that allows the courts and law enforcement, at least temporarily, to seize your firearms if your relatives believe you may be at risk to yourself or others. The bell rings for victims of mass shootings across the country.
Columbine, Virginia Tech, Fort Hood, Tucson.
Patricia Mach survived the mass shooting in Tucson, Arizona that claimed the lives of 6 people in 2011. Veronica Weiss wasn't as lucky. She was murdered in the 2014 Isla Vista shooting spree in Santa Barbara County. 5 others also died.
All this could have been prevented.
Veronica's dad, Bob Weiss, is all for the new California law known as the Gun Violence Restraining Order. It allows cops and courts to seize your firearms if your relatives raise concerns about your mental state.
Here in California, family members will be eligible to seek a court order. And let's face it, who knows you better than your family? They see the issues first.
The parents of Isla Vista shooter Elliot Rodger had raised concerns about their son's mental health, but didn't have the mechanism at the time to seek a gun restraining order. But now, courts will be able to confiscate guns for 21 days. At that point, gun owners can appeal to have their weapons returned.
The person is not going to be harmed. The person is not going to be incarcerated unless they are illegally possessing those weapons in the first place. What is happening is a temporary removal of weapons from them until it can be shown that there is no risk in the future.
City Attorney Mike Feuer hopes gun violence restraining orders will also reduce the number of suicides by firearm owners. And the first line of defense, parents and siblings of gun owners who may be able to spot the red flags first. In downtown LA, Gil Reyes for LA This Week.
City Attorney Mike Feuer does not foresee objections from the National Rifle Association.